Hi, my name is Linda. Today I am sharing how we cook the Asian wonton soup. We will provide step-by-step instructions on preparing a delicious and versatile wonton soup that can serve as a satisfying snack, simple lunch option, or elegant entree. Include a detailed list of ingredients, specific measurements, and cooking techniques to ensure success for both novice and experienced cooks. We start by preparing the ingredients: 180 g lean minced pork or chicken, 2 large spring onions, shallots, finely chopped, whites and greens separated, 8 thin slices of ginger, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh coriander, 1 tablespoon finely chopped water chestnuts or bamboo shoots optional, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 egg white, lightly beaten, 24 prepared wonton wrappers, fresh or frozen, 4 cups 1 liter chicken stock, 2 small bok choy cabbages, quartered lengthways, salt and white pepper to taste. That was all we needed, and start cooking. Let's do the cooking now. Number 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the pork, spring onion whites, 2 teaspoons of ginger, coriander, water chestnuts, soy sauce, and egg whites. Squeeze and knead the filling until the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Number 2. With wet hands, form the mixture into 24 even-sized balls and place them on a sheet of grease-proof paper. Place 1 ball in the center of each wrapper. Brush the edges with cold water and fold over diagonally to make a triangle. Pinch the edges together to seal. Number 3. Bring a large saucepan of lightly salted water to a boil and add the remaining ginger. Place the wontons in the pan until they float to the surface, and the pastry is soft about 5 minutes. Remove with a wire mesh strainer and divide between 4 soup bowls. Number 4. Bring the chicken stock to the boil in another saucepan. Add the bok choy, simmer briefly, add salt and pepper. Pour the soup over the wontons. Evenly distribute the bok choy between the bowls, garnish with the spring onion greens. Look at substitutes that we can do. Let's look at recipe variation to make a vegetarian soup. Soften 2 tablespoons of wood ear fungus in hot water, chop finely. Stir-fry the fungus with cut minced carrot, spring onions, ginger, garlic, and cabbage leaves. Add cup mashed bean curd. Follow the recipe from step 2. Use vegetable stock to replace the chicken stock. Substitutes: you can use 16 rinsed baby spinach leaves to replace the bok choy. Cook's tips: if the wonton wrappers are frozen, cover them with a damp cloth to thaw for about 15 minutes. Wontons can be made up to 2 days in advance and kept in a dish of cold water in the refrigerator. It is important to change the water daily. Serving suggestions: you can serve this soup before a main course with bread or toast. Or, you can serve it traditionally halfway through a banquet-style meal to cleanse and rest the palate. It can also be served as a cleansing course after a rich main dish, instead of dessert. Wines and drinks: a white wine, such as a wooded Chardonnay, would be good with this soup. Or, for a non-alcoholic alternative, try sparkling grape juice or ginger ale. Did you know? Chinese chefs have developed endless ways to wrap and fold wonton wrappers, including bird and rabbit shapes. They have even perfected a wrapping style that resembles a goldfish with a long, flowing tail and bulbous eyes. My mentor Dickie is teaching how you can craft a detailed and mouth-watering recipe for the beloved and versatile soup, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your specialty at your home for a business online. For need more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website: https://plrsalesfunnel.com.